Yes, hello guys, and welcome to this amazing video. Now we're going to be teaching you how to edit your videos. Okay, I've already created the video and I'm going to come and edit it. You can see these are my pro apps. Almost every app here is pro. Yes, and it's free. So I'll just be showing you this Youcut. Look at Youcut here. This one, this Youcut. Let me show you the full app description. Yes, Youcut video editor. Very impressive video editor. More. I just downloaded it and found out that people are using it. Say that app where you could just go download. All of a sudden, come see, maybe only you use that, but now you just discover app. You say only you use this app. So a lot of people are using this app, so we're going to open it. Very easy to use. It has AI content. So you can see Youcut Pro is what I'm using. So it has AI content. You can AI your stuff, do your rubbish, enhance AI painting, all this stuff. But we are not really interested in that. It also have this other side, video clips. You can do your clips to look like this, kind of like CapCut, stuff. CapCut can do a lot of things. So, but for me, I've not really used it but I've used CapCut. CapCut has a lot of templates, you understand? But this one has, this one will be chai, so this one has, you can do nice edit here. If you're a TikToker that does the lifestyle and you understand, you do fashion, you can come here and do a lot of edits, and just upload your thing for TikTok. But that's why we are here. So go back. It is very impressive. You just click on this plus sign. You'll see drafts. You'll see your last, I think this was your last edited. The first thing you see is new project. Second thing you see is your last edited one. Your last edited work. Then the third one is drafts. I have so many drafts there. So, but we'll just go to new project. Then you see all your videos here. So I think this Liverpool video is what I want to work on. So you click on Liverpool video. You will be asked to trim from here if you like. You can start trimming. See where I was cleaning my face. I'm preparing for the video, you understand? So you can trim from here to, let me just leave it here. I'll see trim it inside the video. I think that's the main part. That's where I do the main trimming. But you can see trim from here. You can even touch the time. See this time here. You can touch the time on the left and the time on the right. When you touch the time, you can work on what's it called? You can work on this thing. You can work on the the exact time you want to start or you want to stop. So, but I don't want to overcut this video now. But you can cut it here. That's what I used to do before. I don't know how to use it. This app, nobody taught me how to use it. That's the worst part. Nobody taught me how to use this app. I don't know. I don't know how. My grace, just the grace of God. Something you just discover yourself. Just start using it. Just like Canva. I've never gone online one day say I want to learn Canva full time. I think I did that only once. I just started using Canva, and now I've spent how many years on Canva? Up to 5 years on Canva, boy. Now even people they do professional Canva video. If I enter there, I go say pass it because since I know for Canva, they don't bore you. They don't bore you when you pass me like for Canva. So I know, you understand. I know how to do things as in technical. Maybe when you talk about understanding application, how application works. I don't know. I just got this. Most times I don't touch any button when I see. If I touch any button, I say, oh, so this button they do this thing. Wow, I don't learn that one. So that's what it be. Alright, so I will just press the good sign. That's so I've selected that particular one. So I've selected that one. Then I will go and pick my photo. Yes, I have a photo. My what's it called? Display photo for my this thing. I like adding it in my video so that it will. Yes. Alright, so I've plotted to the main editing phase now. This is the main editing phase. So I'll be adding that same photo in front. So I'll add the same photo in front. But you don't need to add all these photos something. So if I touch on the photo now, it will give me a space to trim it. I'll just increase it a bit, expand it a bit. So it's okay. Because that this video still need trimming, and this is the best place to trim it. So you can be trimming it perfectly, and you don't have any, you touch the video. Remember, there's an image in front and there's an image behind, and then there's a video. So okay, so I'm cleaning my nose, man. Kata won't finish me. So I spent time I spent time like this for video. I spent time cleaning this one. Alright, let's see. Hope this video is not long because I don't want to put it on YouTube. You can see my eyes are very red. Yes, I've not been feeling fine, man. I've been done. So let's see. Yes, never progress to sleep. I was not happy. Liverpool drew against sleep, so I was not happy. Alright, so this is the video. And normally my talking speed is a bit slow. I'm very slow when I'm talking. Not very slow. I'm faster than most people, but when I'm talking, I don't feel the speed there, and I need to be able to talk fast a bit. So I used to increase my speed. So I'm going to come to speed. Once you touch the video, you see speed. You touch your speed. I like putting it in 1.2. And what's the name of this game again? I think it's probably, I don't know, this game was like two different games in one. Because after you see Liverpool come at them, and then you just see it come at them. Okay, I've marked good because I've chosen the speed. You understand? If the volume is too low, you can increase the volume here. But when they score, see Liverpool go back to score, like Liverpool start going again. You understand? So, but like, I don't understand it. That's the volume part. You can do a lot of things here. Enhance. I don't usually use this enhance because enhance is only 10 minutes or 5 minutes or so. Caption. I don't really use this caption. So on this one, these are just for the clip. This cut out. You can cut out your own image, also your photo, and then you can just play around these things. Okay. Then we place voice changer. They don't have good voices here. I would have said I would use a voice changer, but they don't have good voices here, so I don't use voice changer. Okay, freeze, reverse, sorts, all this. I don't use them. Rotate, replace. I don't want to replace anything. Copy. I use copy, but not for videos. For the images, crop. No, I don't want to crop the video. So you can use cutout. You see what I mean? Slot error is a very confusing error for Liverpool fans because on the crop error. But this cut I can't use this cut because of the. What do I call it? You can see the back. When people use this cut out they use another background to replace, But I don't like doing that most of the time because of the movement and everything. It will not be slow like this to be back. It has not finished cutting out, that's why it is slow. It's still cutting out, it's still 11%, yes, but I don't really go about, doing this cut out like that. I don't use it, but you can use it if you like. What people do is they do cut out, then I use another background, a fine background, maybe Liverpool background, put at the back, then upload their video. But me, I just do my own raw like that. So I will not be using cut out. I will just cancel this cut out. Yes, cancel it, so it's not waste that time. Alright, then we'll just go back to the video because. And what's the name of this guy? So there are places I coughed in this video. Yes, I cough because I'm having serious cough, and then so I need to work on those places. You understand? But what I'll do is I'll just show you how to do that. For example, let me look for where. They are very clinical when it comes to Kaka. Hardly needs to run too much to be in position because he's not going to score. He's just going to take the one lead. You are seeing this amazing club. I'm trying to look for where I coughed. You kind of see the reaction. So this one is also very easy. Let me see. Come back to score. These are good side and this is your obvious. But you have to be more. You have to be. I don't know. So I need to look for where I coughed, and there are some I did all those kind of things. So I like come out all those things. But most times I take my time to watch the video. Very very good to watch your video when you're editing it, so that after editing it you can now know that there's no mistake. But if you don't watch them, you are in a lot of deep shit. You understand? So, but I'll just be scrolling like this. I'll see. I want to cut some places out. This thing. But if you long press, for example, if I long press, I will see the three things I'm using: image at the front, image at the back, and video in the middle. You understand? So I'll work on those things. I'll show you what they all mean, how they can be worked on. We want to work on the main video now, so it will not take our time. This is 5 minutes. I don't cough in 5 minutes. This is a place I coughed now. It didn't worry me. Wait, now. So I coughed here. From here I coughed. You see, the thing hold me. I can't cough. I wonder why. So this coughing, I've got cut up. So what I'll do, I'll touch the video. I'll click on split. But let me get the perfect distance. That was a good pattern. I wonder why. Split. From here I will clean. Then I'll touch. There are now two sides. I've splitted the two sides. I'll now cut small again. You see, let's see. That was a good pattern. I wonder why you take off of it and then get from you. You understand? I've cutted it. Is it cutted? I didn't say I cutted. I don't cut and come out. I've cut it out so I can't see it here. But I think there are some things I left here. I need to bring it back a bit. See me play. And I wonder why you take off of it. Let me see. Don't be outside. You get what you. And that was a good pattern. And I wonder why you take off of it and then get what you. You can turn your player. Because I don't know that to hold on play very well. I think we have to because it's the same thing I'm saying. But I've said it here and I got to a point and coughed. So I had to repeat it so I can easily cut it out. Just don't be outside. Then I had to take off of it. That was a good pattern. Okay. Let me see. I think I had that was a good pattern.
And that was a good pattern.
Understand? That was a good pattern. I like repeating myself before I cough. The last sentence I made before I cough, I have to repeat it, so that once I repeat it, it will not. I will easily know where I'm cutting from and where I'm joining from. You understand?
And that was a good pattern.
You understand that it is entering just small. Hey, don't press it too, because these people, they can. If you go and touch a hair. Let me see.
And that was a good pattern.
Madam, and that was a good pattern. You see, it just has entered, so the video is now making sense, and that's how this editing works.
And that was a good pattern.
So I won't do everything here. I would have to come and you clean the back too. The back would have finishing touches. You see, here is empty. I'll come and start cleaning too. You touch it and then clean. You clean. This one I was done and I'm pulling my JC off. Let me see. Okay, I will say my final thanks. It's called outro. After bye, I need to stop. Bam, this is my video. So I'll still work on the video because I need to watch other parts, but I don't want to waste our time. I need to cut out other part or split and then close it up. Yes, so then I will now increase on a bit. This is like my outro. This I like put music here. So what I will do is I will put effect here. Click on effect. Yes, if you want to click on effect, don't touch it though. Yes, touch anywhere around the video. Don't touch inside the video, just all these white spaces. Just touch it to go down. You can see effect, trim, blah blah blah. But if you touch the video, that means you want to work on. If you touch image or video, you want to work on the particular image or the particular video. You understand? So but I don't want to touch it. So I want to work on effect on the general platform, but it is on that image. You understand? So I will touch any area out. I call this area here so that I feel touch effect. Then this is my most used effect, so you can choose your own. This is my most used effect. I'll just come and long press any of the effect. If you long press any of the effect, you see how it is showing. Yes, I want people to. There's a film here. All these ones frame. You understand? Jump with this record. Stuff like this. These are just effects, just to make your work a bit. Then I'll put music. You touch music. I have this song I use. This is a YouTube song, by the way, so I downloaded it for YouTube, and I've showed people how to do it already, so I don't need. I will add song in the whole video, but I have song in the ending and the beginning of the video, so I will just add them. Let me increase the volume a bit. Let me see that. I'll shift a bit. I want that bit to enter for only the image side. Then maybe I can reduce this one small because I'll still add some. Exactly. You feel that? So it will just stop here. You understand? Then later I'll add the full song. Yeah, I'll add songs in this, but the song we are adding will be reducing the volume. I'll still do the same thing in this first image. I don't want this video to be too long. I will add another song here. So this one is not the full song. I've got it small here because I don't want it to if the ending is not, they don't play much in the ending, so I just want the whole bit. Yes, I started from here, so the volume will be small. Like I think the normal one I used to use is 14.
Yes, and what's the name of this game here? I think it's probably, I don't know, this game was like two different games in one, because at times you see Liverpool come at them and then you just see.
So this is the video. This is the audio rather. So I just add copy. I just come here and click copy. You understand? If you want to copy it, you touch it too. You can click copy. Just you can stay on the edge. Click copy. It will not copy it. You now scroll and go to the end again. Copy. Scroll and go to the end again. Copy. All these ones you don't need to bother yourself. Copy. You can scroll. You see the end again. You stand here. Copy. You know copy. So this thing. Copy. You can just stay here and just be clicking your copy. Do not end somewhere and tell you it cannot copy again. You don't say I could not copy. That means it has gotten to the end. So you bring this one back. You touch it and trim it back. Trying to trim it back. So to fit all your song. Bring it down. It's supposed to enter down. Okay. Then you can enlarge it small. This one, let's reduce this one a bit. then push this one. Yeah, this is just, you can do your thing here. Now you get your this thing here, and this one. Okay, to put it forward, then come here and increase here. Sometimes the video is the beginning of the video, so you cannot drag it forward, but you can drag it backwards. So what you do, you long press and push it to join this one, then you go to the back and drag it. You understand? So everything don't join, it don't match. It's now perfect. So like this, like your video is done, except for the front page. I'm not done with my own video, but your own video is done. Your own video is done. So me, I'm not done with my own video. You understand? But your own can be done. You know, understand? Unless you want to add other things. Me, I have image I used to add on the video. You understand? So I'll just click here. There's one image. I think this should be the last this thing. There's one image I used to add here. So this is the image. I'm doing something. You crop here. Okay. Then you now drag. This is what I used to do just to add my this thing. So you can work on images, if adding images to your this thing, kind of making it unique. So as someone no longer copy your content. So people used to add image, used to add something like watermark to make their content unique. So I used to add this image to the whole this thing. So whenever you play, you're saying something like this. You understand?
It's not professional.
See, something like this. I used to add lots of images before, almost at the four corners of the this thing, to make it unique. Alright, we'll get I think that's that. We'll add this one, and that will be all. So you can just see how it works. Then when you're done, you can click on save. When you click on save, you click on save again. Now this is the best resolution is given to you now. Not as if the best resolution, like the preferred resolution for your video, but you can push the resolution to 2K or 4K, which is very much clearer, but the size is going to be massive. You'll be getting like maybe 2 gig, 3 gig, or 1 gig for one video. So sometimes I don't push it, and this video might come out, you see 300 MB, 400 MB, which is better. So I don't have actually to push, but if you want to push, you have MB to upload it. You have everything. You can go like my phone can do videos in 4K. Yes, my phone does video in 4K, but when I do video in 4K, I come here, I still leave it to this 1000 pixel uploading, 1800 pixel upload. But sometimes it will tell me that it's recommending me to use 4K to save my video because of the size. You understand? So now, so I say no problem now. So but I stop using 4K to upload my videos, to create my videos rather. So you know, go stress me. You know, because the thing they big, my guy, you go upload video of how many gig? 2 gig, 4 gig, guy. For which data you get. So that's just it. I think I've taught us a lot here, and then you can now know how to edit and do your own work, see effects, everything there. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.